In the vast expanse of Saudi Arabia's Golden Desert, an architectural marvel rises from the sands, blending modern luxury with the timeless mystique of the dunes. Known as the Oasis, this ultra-luxury residence redefines opulence, offering an unparalleled living experience in one of the most unique landscapes on Earth. Inside, the Oasis boasts palatial interiors that blend contemporary design with traditional Arabian aesthetics. Walls adorned with intricate geometric patterns and ceilings crafted with gold leaf transport residents to a world of grandeur. The residence features expansive living spaces, private cinemas, gourmet kitchens, and wellness centers complete with spa facilities and indoor pools. Each bedroom is a private sanctuary, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering breathtaking views of the shifting sands. Technology is seamlessly woven into every aspect of the Oasis. Smart home systems allow residents to control lighting, temperature, and security with a simple touch or voice command. Renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and advanced water recycling systems, ensure the residence operates sustainably, embodying a perfect harmony between luxury and environmental responsibility. Beyond its physical splendor, the Oasis offers exclusive services that cater to every whim. A dedicated team of chefs, butlers, and chauffeurs ensures that residents experience unparalleled convenience and comfort. Helicopter pads and private airstrips provide swift access to the residence, while camel treks and desert safaris offer a taste of the region's rich cultural heritage. As the sun sets over the dunes, the Oasis transforms into a heaven of serenity. Soft, ambient lighting illuminates the complex, creating a magical atmosphere where the desert's natural beauty meets human ingenuity. It stands not just as a residence, but as a symbol of what is possible when innovation and ambition converge in harmony with nature. The Oasis is more than a home, it is an experience, a gateway to a life of unrivaled luxury and tranquility amidst the majestic sands of Saudi Arabia.